Change the Windows 8 product key after installation? I just completed a fresh install of Windows 8 Pro as it was released to MSDN. Installation went without a hitch, however I can't find out where to enter the correct product key for the copy I have. Clicking on the Activate this computer in Activity Center displays the following screen, but no option to change the product key.
Just follow these steps to add or change product key using Command Prompt and slmgr.vbs. Launch Command Prompt as an administrator. At the Command Prompt, type in slmgr.vbs, IPK, insert your product key here, and click Enter. To activate Windows, type in slmgr.vbs, ATO, and click Enter. All information form this source.
The command to display the GUI for changing the product key is SLUI3. You need to run the command exe as an administrator.
You can also go to System, Win plus Break, and click the Change Product Key link at the bottom. This works in both Windows 7 and 8.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.